Good afternoon, everyone. It's just gone past 3:30, and I'm in Llandudno. Apologies for that, but I can't pronounce it properly. It's in north of Wales, in Snowdonia. That's where I am, and I'm just standing on Penhryn Bay, and the view of the bay is spectacular, as you can see. It's not dark as yet, and we're heading towards the wheel. It's similar to it's a smaller version of the Millennium Wheel. Okay, and it's absolutely beautiful here, especially in the month of November. I mean, today's the 1st of November, and it's not too cold. You just need a jacket, and the temperature's just about okay. You're in that situation where you feel that you're just transitioning yourself from a warmer place to a more like a colder zone, but it's not too bad. It's very nice, and the footpath is absolutely huge. So if you go to other places, you'll probably find it to be quite narrow, but this one is so wide enough, and it's so much. There's ample of access for public to walk around, and the houses, you see, they're like terraced, kind of big, massive Victorian-style houses, and they're beautifully linked together, and quite picturesque as well. And they've been painted. Each block has been painted differently. So this is what I wanted to show you. This area of North Wales, which is Llandudno, and I do suggest that you must come and visit this place. And on the other side of the bay, you get to see the mountains. So this is one particular spot I would recommend you to come and see, because you get to see the sea, the bay. The sea is quite calm at this current moment, and on the other side, you can see the range of Snowdonia mountains. Okay, I'll leave you there for now, and keep following for my next vlog. Bye bye for now.